So I wanted to make this update real quick because I am super stoked. This is going to be a quick video, I think. After having a disappointing week or a disappointing weigh-in last week. I know this dude is not riding his tricycle with a speaker. I don't know if you guys just heard the music that just passed me, but it's this guy that just really, literally was riding his tricycle with a, I don't know, 212s or something in his little basket. So, anyways, whatever you do, however you enjoy life, that's what's up. I'm not hating, but anyways, so I had a terrible weigh-in last week. I was really disappointed because I only lost 1 pound, and I got on the scale this morning. It is Friday, so it was time to go and weigh in, and guess what? I lost 8.5 freaking pounds. I feel beast. I feel like a dude, yo. Like, don't men usually only lose this much weight? Is this even possible? I know you guys are going to say, like, it's probably unhealthy to lose that much weight. I don't even know how I did it. This is supernatural type weight loss. Hey, guys, I didn't do anything spectacular, man. I've been eating clean. I've been going to the gym. Man, it feels so good. It feels so freaking good. And it had to be something because when I woke up this morning, I was in an extremely good mood. And it's just like I could almost feel like a shift. I usually drag getting up in the morning, and but I just, I felt really, really good getting up this morning, and it's just an awesome day. So I just wanted to share my weigh-in, my weight loss success this week. Today is Friday, May, I don't even know what, is it May 10th, I think? Yeah, May 10th. 9, something like that. So that's it, man. 339.5. I started on March 15th at 3:59. So I'm excited, man. And I talk to you guys. See you guys in a week.